Alright, so we about to move on to the face. So I'm about to use the Maybelline Superstay foundation. I do like to blend with the brush. Sometimes when the shade too light and the shade too dark, you just gotta mix some because you might just be in between. And that's like that with makeup, period. To highlight my face, I'm gonna use this. This is a foundation actually, and this was too fucking light for me. You wanna do the under eye highlight. Kinda made more sense because if you find that shade in the foundation shade, then you most likely can find that shade as a concealer. So if you have a foundation that's already your color, find that foundation that's about 2-3 shades back, and then like try to match it with a concealer. That's how I found my concealer shade. Doing my Cupid's bow, my nose, do my chin, and my forehead. To blend it out, so you can use a sponge beauty blender. I like to use the same brush I use to blend out my foundation to blend out the concealer. While I'm blending, I like to let the under eye highlight sit a little bit so it could get some coverage. And some blending. I'll start it from the outside and blend towards the inside. So I don't know why I don't like to start from the inside and then work my way. I'll start from out here, spread it out all the way, then work my way up. If you want to all that, blend it out. Blend all that out. Contour shades. Not the expert at contouring because I don't even know how to contour like that myself. You basically, just like how you highlight, you want to go 2-3 shades back for your concealer shade. You want to go about 2-3 shades darker for your contour shade, if that makes sense. I hope that do. I'm gonna use this 356, this warm coconut. Do a little bit on your cheek because it's gonna spread anyway, so you don't want to put a lot. Just a little bit on your cheek. So do the forehead. Make three little marks, 3 little ticks, cause this shit, when you doing the liquid, when you doing cream contour, remember less is more. Do not go crazy with this shit because you will be looking muddy as hell, no cap. So this little buffer brush, it's not, well, it kind of is a buffer brush. It's called a face round brush, but I'm gonna use this to buff the because it has more dents in it. Like this is a really dense brush, so I'm just gonna blend this out. Blend this out. I'm gonna take my powder puff and my translucent powder. So what I'm doing is, you see, I'm lightly tapping my powder puff into the powder. Then I'm gonna blend the powder in. Press this in. Press it in, press it in, press it in. It'll give you a more natural looking finish. You see how that look, bitch? You use a beauty blender as well, but the tip is to just press the powder in. Don't just let it sit. Anything liquid, period, you wanna say. I'm gonna use this Anastasia contour kit. This is a powder contour kit. You don't necessarily have to use cream and powder contour. Powder contour, you could just use that and be fine and go about your day. Now, I'm only gonna use this powder contour to set my cream contour. I'm gonna use this shade right here to set the contour. Everything's supposed to be together. And then I'm gonna use this on the forehead. Just to add some type of dimension to my shit. My shit look. See. See how they just came together. See how my nose look more structured. Like I actually have a cute nose. And to set my whole face, I'm gonna use this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna dab my powder brush a little bit in there, blow the excess off, and just set the rest of my face. I'm gonna do the powder thing under it, just so it can be a more precise and cut contour. Bring it up like that. Wipe all that powder off. I ain't got no lashes neither. So mascara it is. Now blush is optional. I like blush now. Blush is very optional, but I like blush now, so I'm gonna use this face angle brush. It's very dense. It's not a blush brush. I don't never use this brush just for its purposes. So I try to. So what I do is, when I do blush, I do a little on my cheek, but I also bring it up like contour. You see how I did that? Cheek, then also to your contour. Bring the peachiness out. The Profusion Eye and Cheek Palette. You get it from Walmart. The Morphe setting spray. I'm about to tap the setting spray in my skin. What the fuck is that? Oh my god, are you kidding me? And I'm gonna put that right there. Let that sit for a little bit. Makeup Revolution. Cheap as well. I think I'm gonna just, I don't know. I think I'm gonna mix this with this one. And then I put the highlight on my cheekbone now. Not like how I do the contour. So do it on my cheekbone. And blend this out a little bit. It's never supposed to look like that harsh, you know? I mean, not lip line and eyebrow pencils, but it's dark brown. pink lip.